Hello everyone, in this video I will be doing the unboxing of Google Pixel 7a and I will tell you about my experience. Like I have used it for 3 days only, but I will tell you there were some rumors previously when it was launched in May 2023, like some heating issues and some network issues. So I will tell you about that. Is it happening with me, the phone, like the piece which I have got, and also like I just wanted to tell you that I have bought this in a Flipkart sale. I will tell you the price and all in between the video. So without wasting further ado, let's get into the video.
Guys, let's unbox the Pixel. So this is how the box looks, as I already showed you in the intro. So let's open it. So this is how the phone looks out of the box, and let's take it out. I have to be a little bit careful here. Okay, sorry, just don't mind that. So let's rip it off. So this is how the phone is looking. The main thing is the back. I will also show you the cinematics in between in the video, and let's turn it on. So in the box we get one cable, one adapter, and this SIM ejector tool, and that's all which you can find in the box. And also I have bought the charger separately, which has costed 2000 as an extra, which is quite a huge amount for a like a normal charger, but it's a Google. So now I will talk about the specs which it comes with. This phone has 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and one thing to note here is we cannot add external SD card here. And also in this phone you can only use one SIM as a physical SIM, and another you have to put an eSIM. This phone has 64 megapixel of main camera. With that it has the 13 megapixel of wide angle camera, and in front also we get 13 megapixel of camera. With the main camera it can shoot 4K 60 fps from the 64 megapixel camera, and in front also it can shoot 4K 30 fps. So I will add all the videos, slow motions and all, and photos. So this phone comes with a Tensor G2 processor, and in terms of heating, as there were rumors of heating about this phone, so this phone is not totally made for gaming. I have used it kind of rigorously. I was using the camera for the most of the day, shooting 4K videos, 60 fps. So it was very little, it was heating from the side edges, because this edges is made up of metal, and from the back it is not a glass, it is made up of some hard plastic or something. I don't know what it's made of, but it feels very, very premium. You won't feel a cheap deal. So this phone comes with a 90 Hz of refresh rate, which is good enough, and generally you feel difference between 60 to 90 Hz, but there you won't feel much different when you use 90 to 120. So 90 Hz is a good enough for this phone. Hello everyone, this video is being shoot from back camera of this Pixel 7a, and there is actually OIS in this camera, so it is stabilized one, and it is shooting at 4K 60 fps. So this is how So I am recording this video from the front camera of this Pixel 7a, and this is being shoot at 4K 30 fps. So actually I can't see 30 fps option, but I think it shoots at default at that rate. So you can see the outcome and all.
Let's start with the conclusion of this phone. So the pros of this phone would be the first one, that it has very good camera, and with the AI feature it comes with, it adds a different level of capabilities to this phone. The second one would be, it feels very premium. It looks as good as any premium phone which you will see in the market. The third one would be, it's a stock Android phone and the Android is made by Google. It is very smooth. It comes with Android 13 out of the box, and Google has assured that they will be giving 3 years of Android software update with this phone. So now let's talk about the cons of this phone. The first one would be related to charging, that it takes very long to get charged. It takes minimum of 2 hours because it comes with only 18 to 20 watt of charging input. The second con would be related to charging only, that it drains faster as compared to the phones come at this price. At max it will last for a day only. So the third one would be that it heats a little bit, but that wouldn't be a deal breaker in this case. So as a part of conclusion, if I were to suggest you whether you should buy this phone or not, so I could say that will totally depends on what you want. If you want someone who needs a camera centric phone, who needs a stock Android phone, or who doesn't do much amount of gaming, if you are someone who play a moderate games, this phone would be sufficient enough for that. Now I wouldn't suggest you this phone if you are someone who does a rigorous gaming, who needs a better, who needs a longer battery life, more than 1 day. I haven't told the price. I have got this phone at 33 plus 2K charger, and 33 also, like there was a sale on Flipkart where it was there was discount of 3000 on SBI card, so that I used. And also if you have any old phone, you can exchange it and get more 5-6 thousand of discount, so you can even get it in less than 30,000 very easily. So I hope now you would be clear with whether you want to buy this phone or not, and I hope you like this video. Stay forward for the future videos. Thank you for watching this video.